In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Calendar under control. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your schedule, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with the chaos of constantly managing appointments, meetings, and personal commitments. But fear not, because today I'm going to walk you through some practical steps to tame that digital beast and transform your calendar into a streamlined, efficient tool that works for you. First, let's declutter your calendars. Open your Google Calendar and take a look at the left sidebar under My Calendars and Other Calendars. You'll likely see a list of calendars that you don't need on a daily basis. Simply uncheck the ones that aren't necessary for your everyday activities. This will clear up your main view and help you focus on what really matters. Additionally, for any older or unused calendars, you can hover over the calendar name, click on the More Options icon, and navigate to Settings and Sharing. From there, scroll down to Unsubscribe and remove anything you no longer need. Next, we'll bring some color into your life by color coding your events. On that same left sidebar, hover over a calendar and click on More Options to select a color for that calendar. For instance, you might choose blue for work, green for personal stuff, and red for looming deadlines. This visual touch makes it much easier to identify and prioritize your commitments at a glance. Moving on to notifications, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner and go to Event Settings. Here you can change your default notification time to better fit your schedule. Maybe you need a 10-minute heads up, or perhaps an hour suits you better. Also, consider turning off unnecessary notifications to keep distractions to a minimum and maintain focus. Another powerful way to organize is by creating multiple calendars. Head back to the left sidebar and click on Plus, Add Other Calendars, then Create New Calendar. Name it something like Fitness, Family, or Work Projects. Assigning different areas of your life to separate calendars helps you keep everything in its place while still having a comprehensive view when you need it. Don't forget about tasks and reminders. On the left sidebar, check tasks to add to-dos right into your calendar alongside your events. This way, you consolidate your tasks and appointments into one organized space, keeping you from bouncing between different applications. Lastly, let's talk about smart sharing. In your calendar settings, find Settings for My Calendars and select the calendar you want to share. Under Share with Specific People, you can give access to family or colleagues. Control their permissions so they can view or edit the calendar as you see fit. This allows collaboration while still keeping you in control of what gets shared. With these steps, your Google Calendar becomes a clear, organized hub, transforming from a daunting list to a well-structured overview of your commitments.